It's October.
October.
Is it too late to apply a nitrogen fertilizer to my lawn? I have zoysia. And this is Mike from Bartlett. So we'll just sit back.
Okay.
We'll let the turf guy handle that. There you go.
Okay, yeah, no, we're in October now, you know, and zoysia grass, that's a warm season grass.
All right,
It's getting ready to go dormant right now. You don't want to add any nitrogen fertilizer to it this time of the year.
Okay.
Now, if you want to add anything to it like phosphorus and potassium, and that based on a soil test, make sure that you don't give it no nitrogen fertilizer now, because you don't want to give it no extra growth. And we come and have a cold winter come in early, and it damage the grass. And they should be wondering why my zoysia not coming out really good and not doing anything, because you gave that nitrogen fertilizer too late. So hold back on that nitrogen fertilizer this time of the year, because that's a warm season grass.
Right.
Now you got some zoysia, Mr. Fescue, and it's a good time to start fertilizing that.
Okay,
now.
for the fescue.
For the fescue, but zoysia, no nitrogen fertilizer now.
Okay.
No fertilizer, phosphorus and potassium based on a soil test.
So you can do phosphorus and potassium
Based on the soil test.
Based on the soil test.
So phosphorus and potassium, they stay in the soil a lot longer.
Okay.
So you might want to do a soil test on it to make sure that it's still okay to do that. But no nitrogen fertilizer this time of the year.
No nitrogen fertilizer.
No.
Yeah. Let the grass go dormant.
Let it go dormant. I let my grass go dormant. I got tired of cutting it.
From the guy who cuts it twice a week anyway.
Yeah, I got tired now. Yeah. Let it rest. Let it rest.
Twice a week. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.